Hi guys, look at this question. The question is a square minus b square is equals to 9 and ab is equals to 3, and we have to find the value of a square plus b square. Let's see how do we proceed in this question. Since we are given that a square minus b square is equals to 9. So just apply squaring both sides. So you get here a square minus b square whole square is equals to 9 square. Now as you know the algebraic identity, that is a minus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So you can write this as a square whole square plus b square whole square minus 2 into a square b square is equals to 81. Further, you can write this as a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 minus 2 into ab whole square is equals to 81. Or you can write this as a to the power 4 into b to the power 4 minus 2. ab has a value equals to 3. So put the value of ab in this equation. So you get a power 4 plus b to the power 4 minus 2 into 9 is equals to 81. Here we have a power 4, b power 4 minus 18 is equals to 81. Or you can say that a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 is equals to 81 plus 18. So after simplification you get a power 4 plus b power 4 is equals to 99. Now just call this as equation number 1. Now as you know that a square plus b square plus 2ab is equals to a plus b whole square. So we can say that a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 plus 2 a square into b square is equals to a square plus b square whole square. So we can say that a power 4 plus b power 4 is equals to a square plus b square whole square minus 2a square b square. Now replacing a power 4 plus b power 4 with this equivalency, so we can write this as a square plus b square whole square minus 2a square b square is equals to 99. Further, you can write this as a square plus b square whole square minus 2 into ab square is equals to 99. Or you can write this as a square plus b square whole square minus 2 into 3 whole square is equals to 99. Further, a square plus b square minus this is 2 into this is 9 is equals to 99. Further, a square plus b square is minus 18 is equals to 99. Or you have a square plus b square is equals to 99 plus 18. Further, a square plus b square whole square is equals to 117. Now in order to find the value of a square plus b square, just take square root on both sides. So this root and this square gets cancelled and we have a square plus b square is equals to, now this 117 can be written as 3 into 3 into 13. So we get a square plus b square is equals to 3 under root 13. And this is our required answer. I hope you understand it, and if you like it, kindly subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.